Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to stop auto renewal of NordVPN subscription. So let's get started. So if you want to do that, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for nordvpn.com. After searching for nordvpn.com, now you can just tap on login, which is on the top right, and then you have to enter your email address and password. After entering that, you will log into your account. I have already logged into my account. You might have to enter your email address and password. And after logging into your account, what you can do is just tap on billing, which is on the left side of your screen. After tapping on billing, now you can just tap on subscriptions. And inside your subscriptions, you will find a subscription that you have taken in your NordVPN. So now if you want to cancel that subscription, just tap on that subscription once, and then after tapping on the subscription you will find the option in the bottom which says cancel auto subscription. And by cancelling auto subscription, what it does is it will cancel auto subscription from your NordVPN, and the next time when your NordVPN subscription is finished, it will not automatically buy a new subscription for the month or the year automatically, and you will cancel that. So that's it guys, this is how to turn off auto renewal of NordVPN subscription. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.